Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
Buffalo chickpeas. Rinse and strain 1 can of chickpeas. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it well. Over medium heat, add some oil. Cook your chickpeas 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn off the heat and remove the chickpeas. Buffalo chickpeas.
Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.